Guys, how we doing? I'm here and excited to share with you this brand new, well, new to me, exciting new workshop. And I'm going to give you a little quick tour here in just a second. And it was really quite a bit of a process getting this new area set up the way that I would like it. But I was able to do it. It took me about a couple of months to get everything situated, to get everything set up. I still have things that I need to be doing, but for the most part, I need to get back into projects and get back into what I need to be doing, which is just like I said, many projects and stuff like that going on. But I'm gonna give you a quick little tour so you can see the new workspace. How we doing, guys, out here in the work shop area of the new shop area beginning, doing a little bit of work. And underneath the awning now, snow. It's winter today, and doing some things here on the outside. I gotta work on this foundation down here at the bottom. It's kind of it's in pretty good shape. How we doing, guys? Quick update in the shop, and it's been a very consuming thing here. Has some issues. How we doing, fam? On the just all these different phases of the workshop is coming along. Getting some paint on the front section here. Guys, my fam, welcome to the workshop update on this day before we leave for the cruise. Making a lot of progress. I got most all the walls painted all the way over here. This wall is pretty much complete. I got a saw set up on this end. Toolboxes across the way. Workbench over here. I gotta finish this end. But overall, this has been a really good week, and I'm getting closer and closer to getting everything complete. So we're walking in here now, coming through the front door. And walking in, and here we go. This area, this building is a 16 by 30 workspace, which is the biggest space that I've ever had to work with, and I'm really, really excited about it. And like I said, I've got most everything, for the most part, set up. We just walked in to the front door, and so the front space, as you can see here, is going to be the cutting and milling area. Table saw, outfeed table, miter saw, which I still have to build a little station right there, but that's gonna do for now because I need to get started on stuff. Planer set up, router table, air compressor. Everything's been updated, painted, brightened up. Of course, I'm loving my new sign. Finally been able to put that up. Looks great. And we come over a little bit more, of course, air compressor. I think I might have already said that. Drill press over here. And this is I'm about halfway at the workspace now. I have a side door. I come in from the side. This is an angle from the middle back toward the front. You can, as you can see, it's a pretty good area to do all the cutting and milling and stuff like that. So moving over here to the right, going left, just past the door, are toolboxes. Have my tools set up in there. A little bit of a shelving up there for some lumber, not a lot. Coming down, some extra lumber right here. Swing chair frames I'll get to at some point. I've got a window there. And then moving toward the back wall is a whole another full length work table. I've got a light above that. I didn't turn it on. I guess I should have, but it has an air conditioner that works for the summer. But I still have some work to do down here. It's got quite a bit of, this is just components that are ready for chairs and things like that. But I have to do some of this eventually. But it's, at least it's set and orderly and it's neat. Again, full 16 or so foot work table. It's got a closet, which is, I got this stuff in there right now, but I'll eventually organize that even better. And on the other side, coming this way to here, we got a full work table, which is pretty nice. Full length drawers, heavy hardware. Can put whatever we need to in here, which is all real nice. Get a lot of work done there. And this is a nice 8-foot or so table. It's going to be perfect. There you go. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed the quick version of the tour. And again, it's still somewhat of a work in progress, but I've made a lot of progress within 2 months. Now, the outside still needs some stuff done. I got it kind of somewhat just secured down good enough for now. I will be working on that, and I'll update that outside part later. And I want to get the inside done because that's where all the work's going to be going on. And hopefully, I can be sharing some projects and updates and things like that. But until then, thanks for watching.